Hello, welcome to the UltFone channel. Recently, Vnrom bypass APK has gained attention from Android users across the globe due to its reliable FRP bypass feature. With the help of this tool, you can easily fix FRP lock issue on your Android device from the comfort of your home without spending a dime or creating a configuration file. First, you need to open your browser and enter the vmrom.net website. Then go to the upper right corner and hit on it. Find Bypass FRP in the taskbar and download it. You can follow the prompts later. Since there are no customer service or question and answer personnel, you can only solve any problems by yourself. This process is often complicated, but luckily we have alternatives to choose from that are 100% fast and bypass Google accounts. It can help you easily bypass FRP or Google account for Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, Vivo and Huawei without password. Next, I will show you the operation process. The whole process is very simple. To get started, please download and install UltFone ToolKit Android Unlock on your computer first. Find and open Android Screen Unlock in the UltFone Toolkit. Then connect your device to your computer with a USB cable. Switch back to Android Screen Unlock and choose the feature Remove Google Lock. If your device was not reset, you can reset it using the Remove Screen Lock feature. Let's go with Remove Google Lock. Please select the OS version of your Samsung device, as there is a little difference in the next steps according to the device OS version you selected. So just choose your Samsung version and go on. Here I show you the option of all Android versions. Click the Start button when a confirmation pop-up appears. On your Samsung device, go to the very first welcome screen. Tap Emergency Call to bring up a dial pad from where you need to enter 0. Then your device will immediately enter its hidden diagnostic mode. Now, click the Next button on the bottom right corner. When the Google FRP lock is successfully removed, a success message will be shown on the screen and your Samsung device will reboot immediately. There are related links in the description. Go and give it a try. So guys, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.